Hey guys, welcome back to Miss Chaos. So if you are new to my channel, hi, you're listening to Sukriti and I make videos on English speaking, phonetics and a lot more of topics. So if you're this kind of a person, please subscribe to my channel and also click the bell icon right next to it. In our phonetics series, this is our third video and also you can find those videos in the phonetics playlist in my channel. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. So the consonant sounds are the most easiest sounds to learn in phonetics, but there are some 5-6 symbols which are different. So that you have to make a note and just make sure that you write all the consonant sounds and keep one word for example so that whenever you are referring it would be easy. So our first consonant sound is B. B. And the words which make use of B sound is ball, band, bun, bat, all these words. The second sound is D. D. And it is represented like this. And the words which make use of D sound is doll, deer, deer, all these words. And our third consonant sound is P. And the words which make use of these sounds are fan, fat, fade, all these words. Our fourth consonant sound is G. G. And the words which make use of these sounds are gun, gear, all these words. Our next consonant sound is H. H. And the words which make use of H sound is hill, house, all these words. Our next sound is K. And the words which make use of K sound is kite, cat, carrot, kit, all these words. Next sound is L. L. And the word which make use of these sound is little, light, line, all these words. Our next consonant sound is M. And the words which make use of M sound is made, make, mad, all these words. Our next sound is N. And the words which make use of N sound is name, nut, all these words. Our next consonant sound is P. And the words which make use of P sound is pen, parrot, pit, all these words. Consonant sounds are very easy, but there are 5 sounds which have different symbols and they sound different. So those 5 sounds, 5 to 6 sounds. So that is only tough part in consonant. It's not tough, it is also very easy. Just keep one example right for it. Next sound is R. And the words are rabbit, rat, rest, all these words. Next sound is S. And words which make use of S sound is sing, sing, all these words. Next sound is T. T. And the words which make use of these sound is temple, tent, all these words. And our next sound is V. V. And the words which make use of V sound is van, vampire, all these words. And our next sound is W. Okay, W. And the words which make use of these sound is water, wheel, whirl, all these sounds. Our next consonant sound is Z. Z. And the word which make use of these sound is zebra, zing, all these words. So next sounds are, they look different, the symbols look different and they sound different. So first symbol in that category is these all belongs to consonant category, but to make yourself easy with consonant sounds, I have just categorized it. So in this category, our first sound is ya. Okay, ya, y sound, and it is represented as small letter j. And the words which make use of y sound is yawn, yet, yarn, all these words. And our next consonant sound is ing. Okay, ing, and it's represented as a n with a tail, small letter n with a tail like this. And the words which make use of them is like are ring, wing, sing, all these words. And the next sound is the sound, and it is represented like this, like a theta. The words which make use of these sound are earth, fan, all these sounds. Okay, it's the. And the next sound is the, and the words which make use of these sounds are father, mother, brother, all these words. And the next consonant sound is sh. Okay? That is the sound. And also I am not pronouncing all the sounds in a very correct manner to make yourself understand. I am just making it very easy and pronounce. Else we have to pronounce it like all the like this only. We have to pronounce it like this, but to make you understand more easier, I am just pronouncing it like sh, ch, like that. Okay. So the next sound is sh, and the words which make use of sh sound is ship, sheep, all these words. Our next consonant sound is ch sound, ch, and the words which make use of them is chips, church, all these words. Our very next consonant sound is j sound, j, and the words which make use of j sound is pleasure, treasure, pressure, all these words. And our last 24th consonant sound is j sound. Okay, j, j, and the words which make use of j sound is jacket, jam, jack, all these words. So that's all about consonant sounds. So if you think this video is useful to anyone whom you know, please do share it to them. And thank you so much for watching. Our next video will be about diphthongs, which is the sounds which comes from the combination of two vowel sounds. So in the next video, I will come up with diphthongs and the words, and after that we will start transcribing our words, and then it's done. So after diphthongs, we all are like pro in phonetics. That's all about phonetics, and we have to cover some more topics like intonation, syllables, all these stuffs, and they are like super easy. Till the phonetic sounds, it's like a bit hard to understand. Not hard, but we need to make some note. But after that, it is all very easy. We can, we don't have to even write some note, or you can just make use in our daily life. So all the intonation, syllabic structure and all is like very easy, and we have covered more than the half part of the tough part in the phonetics. So in the very next video, I'll come up with diphthongs. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Thank you so much. And if you haven't watched our first and second part, that is, first part covers what is phonetics, classification of phonetics, why should we learn phonetics, all these topics, and the second part of a series completed the pure vowels part. So if you didn't watch both the parts, I will put them right here in the right and left. Please do watch that and come watch this, so that will be extra useful. So thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.